Assembly instructions for your Big Fig bed frame. Before you begin, lay out your parts. You should have 2 side rails with frame arm attachment, 1 all-size center rail, 2 king expander bars, 7 bushings with glide and stem, 4 locking plugs, 4 bolts and 2 plastic end caps, and you will need a standard Phillips screwdriver. To assemble twin, full, or queen size, the king expander bar will not be used. Center support must be installed. Step 1. Unbox your bed frame. Place the 2 side rails parallel to each other with the headboard brackets facing the same direction. Place the all-size center rail between the side rails. Step 2. Open your frame rails. Swing the 4 frame arms out to a 90-degree position on both side rails. If you have a king or king size frame, fast forward to 140 to complete the remaining steps. Step 3. Connect the frame rails. Slide the rivets into the keyhole slots until the frame arms overlap and the 2 center holes are aligned. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 4. Locking plugs. Insert the 2 locking plugs into the frame arm holes to prevent the frame arms from disengaging. Step 5. Bushing and glide stems. Insert each of the 4 corner leg holes. Repeat to install the 3 bushings and glide stems in the center support legs. The glide stem must pass through both holes in each leg. Step 6. Attach all-size center rail. Position the all-size center rail underneath the 2 center holes of the connected frame arms. Using a standard Phillips screwdriver, insert and tighten the bolts. Step 7. Plastic end caps. Attach the 2 plastic end caps to the foot end of the side rails. Your bed frame is now ready for use. Note, a foundation or box spring is required for use. To assemble king and king, follow steps 1 and 2, then complete the following. Step 3. Add king expander bars. Align the keyhole slots on the king expander bars with the rivets on the frame arms for your desired bed size. Slide the pieces together until the rivets are fully seated in the keyhole slots. Step 4. Locking plugs. Insert the 4 locking plugs into the king expander bars and frame arms to prevent the connected pieces from disengaging. Then insert and tighten the bolts on both sides. Your bed frame is now ready for use. And now start enjoying great sleep.